Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Makayla, also known as K, and welcome to another lovely video by Mom. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my room and pretty much how I decided to decorate it and letting you guys know where I got everything from. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below any suggestions that you may have for future videos and just your thoughts about this video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna flip your eyes around. I'm just gonna start off by where my door is. So this is my door right here. I have my ring light right here because I actually decided to film this at nighttime and my room doesn't really have that much light. Excuse me. My room doesn't really have that much light when it's nighttime, so pretty much just gonna start by, if I were opening the door, this is just the door right here, and it's just the door, plain old door. And when you open up the door, you have the light switch right beside it. And then I have this little picture that I got from TJ Maxx, and it says you don't have to be perfect to be amazing. And I love this one from TJ Maxx. I love the colors of it. One of my favorite colors is actually lavender, so I really like that. Then over here I just have my ring light because I decided to film this at nighttime, which probably wasn't a good idea, but I'd already cleaned my room really nice, so I figured I might as well just go ahead. So once you the door, so I'm just gonna go straight through this wall right here, and then we're gonna move on and kind of do like a 360. So we have this right here, the picture that I just talked about. Then on the floor I have a mini wax warmer from Scentsy right there, and I'll show you guys a close-up of that. And it's just a really cute glitter one. I really love this one. And I actually need to probably put some more wax in it, but the I think this one is lemon verbena that I have in there right now. But yeah, so then over here on this wall I just have my closet right here, and then I just have my purse right here hanging on the door. If you guys would like to see a closet tour, just give this video a thumbs up and comment down below if you would like to see that, because I would gladly film that for you once I actually clean out my closet. But if you guys really want to see it, I would do it for you guys. So then we're going to move on to this wall, and this wall is pretty much where I just have my vanity right here. And let's just scoot in a little bit closer. I got this marble desk from Big Lots actually, and I also got the chair from Big Lots. It's just a little stool, just a little gray stool like this. And also this rug right here, I just have a fluffy rug right here. For some reason it always gets rumbled up like every single time I walk on it. I don't really know why, but it's just like a really soft, like nice rug. But yeah, don't mind my feet. But yeah, so back to the vanity. This marble, really like the marble countertop, like faux marble or whatever. I really like that on here. And then I have my mirror, my like Hollywoodish mirror. I got that from Amazon. It was really cheap on Amazon, so if you guys want me to, I can put it in the comments down below. Just let me know if you guys would like to see that. But it's from Amazon. It's a little bit smaller than I thought it was going to be, so I might end up getting a bigger one later on. But yeah, right here I just have all my makeup right here. Not really that organized, but you know, it'll do. So I just have like some lipsticks right here and more lipsticks right here. I have a couple mascaras and some eyeliners and lip liners. And then over here I have all my sponges and more like face makeup stuff. And then I have some Mario Badescu rose water right there. And then I have more of my palettes up here. I have my James Charles palette right here, and I have a few palettes behind there. And then I have my 3 sets of brushes right here. And then I have this really cute picture of my little doggy, Mia. It says dog hair don't care. It's really cute. So then over here on the other side of my vanity, I also have this other mirror from Amazon, and it lights up too like this one, but I actually don't have any batteries in it, and since I have this one I don't really need it that much. So yeah. Then I just have some makeup remover wipes. I like to keep these on my vanity because this is usually where I take off my makeup most of the time. So yeah. And then underneath my little makeup mirror right here, I actually have a jewelry box, and I'll just move this out of the way. It just says we are all made of stars, which is really cute. It's really junky inside there. I just put like a whole bunch of crap in there. It's like my birth control pills and a whole bunch of watch bands, but it actually says right here, I don't know if my camera's gonna focus, Camera's probably not going to focus. Of course not. Oh, there we go. So it says Makayla Brianna Ellison, class of 2019, North Point High School. And that's just the high school that I went to. And, you know, this was in here. That back. My aunt gave it to me for my graduation present. It was really cute, so I really like that. So backing up right here so that we can kind of see like a full view of where I am right now. So right here I just have my vanity and stuff right here. I have the rug that I just showed you, and we went from this wall to right here. So moving on to right here, I have my dresser that I got from IKEA. It's just a pretty basic IKEA dresser. It's really nice. It has a lot of drawer space in here, so I really like that. And then on top of my dresser, I just have a couple random things. I just have some bobby pins, and then right here I have like all my Ellison bracelets and a couple jewelry boxes. But I really love this because I love to light candles, and it's I believe from probably TJ Maxx or something like that. But it's Ray Dunn, and it just says family, and it's matches, and it also has a little match board thingamabobber on the back of it, which is really cute, and I really like that. I got that for Christmas, I believe, from my aunt a couple years, probably like last year. And then I have this lamp right here. I'm like out of breath from talking so fast. I have this lamp right here. I'm not really sure where I got it from. I've had it for like a million trillion years. It's like carried through like my childhood rooms, but I still have it. I was planning on replacing this, but I figured I would just keep it for now because I usually don't really turn on this lamp. I usually turn on the lamp beside my bed, which I'm going to show you guys in a little bit. But yeah, so then over here I just have my TV. I think it's a 40-inch TV, and it's just sharp TV, nothing too crazy. I have my phone right here. It's 10:29, as you guys can see. I told you I was filming this really late for some reason, don't know. But yeah, then I just have my TV remotes, and then I'm just gonna back out so that you guys can kind of remember where I am right now. And yeah, so then we're gonna go over here to one of my favorite spots in my room is my shelf right here. I love this like bookshelf right here. It's where I keep like all of my smell goods. If anyone knows me, I am obsessed with Bath & Body Works, and as you can see, I keep all of it right here. So on the top of my shelf, this also came from Big Lots, and this actually is the same marble type. It's like the same matching marble as my vanity is over there, which I really like them together. And then right here I just have this little picture that I got from TJ Maxx, and it says her heart is fierce, her will is strong, and her spirit is unbroken. And I just love this picture. It's just a nice reminder to me about myself and all that. And then I have this thank you card, which is really cute. And then I have this teddy bear that my boyfriend gave me for Valentine's Day, I believe, and just a little note from him. And then on the second shelf I just have my lighter. If I don't feel like lighting a match, I'll just use my regular lighter. And then I have like all my collections of hand sanitizers right now. I'm honestly running kind of low, to be honest, but you know, these are just all my Bath & Body hand sanitizers right here. And then I have most of my body sprays right here. I have most of my body sprays from Bath & Body Works. My favorite scent is right here in the middle, which is Black Cherry Merlot. I'm obsessed with this scent. If you've never tried this scent, you've got to. I swear on everything, you have got to. So then right over here I just have pills. Don't worry about that. They're not like, I'm not like a druggie or anything. They're actually prescription, but they're actually all the same pill bottle, but my medicine got changed to a different dose. So yeah, that's just that. Then I have this another candle, then I have a hand soap back here, and then a hand sanitizer back there. So then we're gonna go on to the second one right here. Make sure this is focusing in. Then right here I just have some little miniature Bath & Body Works type things. Then behind that I have all my candles. Well, not all of them. There's a couple down here on the next shelf, but I have most of my candles right here, and I love their 3-wick candles. And then over here I just have some body lotions and a couple perfumes. I have some from Victoria's Secret as well. I really like this one right here. Hold on a second. Really like this one right here. This one's called Pink Power, I believe. Yep, Pink Power or something like that. Yeah, Pink Power. I really like this one. This one smells really good. I don't know about these two Victoria's Secret perfumes or body sprays, if you want to call it. They don't sell these anymore, but I just love the scent. I got these probably back in like 2017, and these were like really awesome. But then I just have some oil that I like to use in my hair right here. If it would zoom, if it would focus. It's the one thing I hate about my camera, like never wants to focus. But anyways, it's just some coconut oil right here. And then I have this honey lotion. I'm pretty sure Victoria's Secret still sells this. I love honey lotion. I just wish they would come out with the honey body spray. That would just make it totally perfect. So then over here I have a random wig cap right there. Don't mind that. I totally did not realize that was there. But then right here I have a couple more candles right here. Then I just have a mug and my little Rudolph thingamabobber that I got from Busch Gardens. And then I have more body sprays. This is pretty much the rest of my body sprays that I have. And then down here in the last row I have some hair products down here that are just overflow from my bathroom. I have Aussie Miracle curls, and then I have some Shea Moisture over here. Then I have a couple body washes back there, and then some more lotions. And then I have a picture of my Grammy back there. Then I have a coffee cup right there, and then I have a cute little teddy bear stuffed in the corner. He's totally fine right there. And yeah, so that is pretty much my shelving area. So yeah, that's pretty much my shelving area right here. So then we're going to move on to the next wall, which is my bed. So this is my bed right here. I really like my bed. I got the bedding from TJ Maxx, and the Do What You Love pillow. It's actually not a pillow that I got from somewhere. I actually just replaced the covering of it, and it's the same for the little pluffy pillowcases too. I got all three of these from Shein actually, so I will link those down below if you guys would like to check them out. Then I just have my MacBook sitting on the bed, and then this blanket slash throw actually came with the comforter set, which I was really pleased about. And the headboard, I got that from overstock.com. I got that probably about 3 or 4 years ago, honestly, so it's a really popular type of headboard, so I'm pretty sure if you guys wanted to get it, it wouldn't be that hard to find. And then right here I have my butterfly pictures that I just love. I love butterflies, and I just really enjoy them. And so I got those from TJ Maxx as well. I bought those recently, actually, once the TJ Maxx actually just opened back up. And then over here, I forgot to show you guys, but I just have this sleeping mask that I like, and it's also Ray Dunn, and I got that from Marshall's. So then we're just gonna finish off over here. Hey guys, this is me. I'm just in my PJs, don't mind me. But yeah, so over here I have my nightstand, and then I have this lovely lamp right here. I really love this lamp. This is from Amazon. I really like it because it has a little USB thing right here that I can charge my phone with. Then I just have my glasses and my Beats pill, and then I have this little I don't know what this is. It's like a little jar that just says things, and it's also by Ray Dunn. And this nightstand is from Big Lots. And then I have this little trash bin right here, which is from Marshall's. And then I have my big mirror right here that I like to take all my full body pictures and just review my outfits. And then we're going to back up just a little bit so that way you guys can see my window right here. I only have one window in my room. And then you have my curtains. I'm pretty sure my curtains are from TJ Maxx as well. And the curtain rod is from TJ Maxx. It's like everything that I own in this room is from TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx just like literally has everything. But yeah, so I just have that right there. And then over here I have this picture that says, "My life may not be perfect, but my lashes are," which I feel like that is like the motto for life right there. And yeah, I got that from TJ Maxx as well. Got that a couple years back, but TJ Maxx. And yeah, and then have my ring light again, and then we have the door. So that is pretty much going to be it for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed seeing my room tour and me giving you a little bit of peace into my life and where I spend most of my time at. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you enjoyed it, and make sure to comment down also some video suggestions, because I want to not only make content that I love, but also content that you guys are enjoying as well. So I hope you guys have a blessed day, and make sure to stay beautiful.